Inaugurating the Educational Ministers Conference, the Minister for Human Resource Development, Government of India said, I welcome you all to this conference, the chief objective of which is to study the pressures of higher education in the context of knowledge explosion. I am very happy to observe on this occasion the rapid strides made by the states in the field of education, especially higher education. Many states have reported more than 50% improvement in the success, and I am very glad that the steps taken by the governments both at the center and the state have started yielding good results. The recent report of the Human Rights Commission pointed out that there have been suicides by young ones in some states. In states like Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, these numbers are on the rise when compared to the last year. The Commission suggested a thorough investigation into these cases so that the precious lives of the students are protected at all costs. I would like to invite your suggestions in this behalf. According to the analysts, all these are due to the fact that the students are unable to bear the pressure of their studies not only from the principals of the educational institutions but also by the parents. The educational institutions, in their quest for projecting them as good at imparting education, try to trust on pupils to entire syllabus. In fact, most of the institutions have made it their principle to complete the syllabus at least 3 or 4 months ahead of the examinations. From then on, they try to conduct tests at regular intervals, putting more stress on the student. It does not allow him any time to refresh himself. Further, the institutions create an unhealthy competition amongst the students by dividing them into two batches of excellent and poor. Some of the students are humiliated by this division and slowly and steadily lose interest in their studies. The students who are considered as intelligent too suffer as a result of this. They may become complacent and ultimately fail in the end examinations. There have been instances in which the educational institutions quietly influence the investigating officers when there is a complaint of death. To the parents, on the other hand, have other intentions. They like their wards are respected by the society, and the respect they feel comes from the higher marks achieved by them. Dear sirs, we draw your attention to the recent order of the government in which it was proposed to pay the salaries of the employees through a bank. For this, all the employees needs to do is to open an account in any one of the banks listed in the order and inform the drawing officer about the account. The officer prepares the bills in the normal course and submits the same to the treasury. The treasury bank will credit the amount of the employees in their respective accounts on the first of every month. While this being the procedure laid down by the government, the banks are now competing with each other in providing better services to their customers, and thus attract them to open the accounts in their bank. In this connection, we intend to present the services of our bank to your personal, and we request you to kindly arrange a meeting on Monday next. Yours faithfully.